Okay, this is Hercules. We're in Van Nuys. He's about a year old. He is deaf, and he seems to be afraid of other dogs. You know, he doesn't know what's going on with other dogs, so he's real friendly with me. He's crawled between my legs, and you know, he knows that I know who Danes are, but he doesn't have any real training, and you know, because he doesn't hear, so he needs Christy's Miracles here with. You gonna smell that? I know you smell all the dogs. His tail's wagging. He's smelling the camera case. His ears are really bad. They've got fly strike. They need some medical attention. And on the inside of one of his thighs, he's just rubbed himself raw. If I can get a shot of that, I'm gonna try to. Can I see the inside there? Maybe I got it. I'm in the sun, so I can't tell if I'm getting this or not. So he does need to go to a vet, and not sure what else to say about him here. He seems to be real nice. He's real friendly. He's just a puppy. He's only a year old. He just wants to follow me, so I can't really get him on the camera. I can't really get you on the camera because you're smelling my girls right now, so maybe I can get in there to his thigh so that you can see that. Is he neutered yet, or is he intact?
He's neutered.
He is neutered already, so that's a good thing. He's a nice size. He's not too tall, but he is a purebred Dane. He is not a mix. Okay. So that's it for Hercules. I'm going to stand back and he's got beautiful blue eyes, and get some photos. You're going to follow me everywhere. You know I'm a Dane person. He can smell. His sense of smell is very, very powerful. And he can smell the other Danes on me, so he knows. So this is Hercules, and I hope we can put him on transport to Big Bones next weekend. And I guess that's going to be it for now. Because every time I move, he just comes to me. Okay, that's it. Thanks.